Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Abdul Aziz. I'm from the class 8024A 1A, part 2. This is for AGR 514 crop disease management. For this presentation, I want to share about white root disease. The cause for this disease is Rigidoporus microporus. The symptom for this disease is reduced growth and vigor, which is stunted growth of the tree, general decline in overall vigor, and reduced development of new shoot and leaf. Second is reduced latex production for the rubber plants. Rubber trees are grown for latex production, and white root disease can significantly reduce latex yield. The compromised root system affects the transport of water and nutrients to latex producing tissue. Next is dieback. Dieback of branches and twigs may occur, leading to a loss of canopy. Several cases can result in the death of the entire area. Next is fungus structure. Underneath the bark of infected root, physical mycelium strands, fungal hyphae, may be visible. Small white fan-shaped structure called basidiocap may develop on the surface of infected roots. Next is spread and infestation. White root disease can spread through soil-borne spore, affecting neighboring trees. The presence of the fungus in the soil may persist, making it a challenge to control. Next is root rot. Leading to root rot, show discoloration, turning brown or white for the root, and the root become decay and lose the structural integrity. This leading to the plant to die. And lastly is leaf symptom. Wilting of leaf, which may progress to leaf yellowing, chlorosis, premature shedding of leaf. This is because the leaf will wilting and the leaf will be gone, and when it's become like that, the trees cannot do the photosynthesis process and lead to the die. The sign of the pathogen. Firstly is you can see the first is mycelium. Mycelium which is look like white color, small like needles. And the second is fruiting bodies. You can see there are fruiting bodies in the plants. And lastly is dieback, from the leaf wilting lastly to the dieback. Next is effect on the plant function. Here I'm attached the full rotation of how the plants being affected by the fungus. The first one is whole canopy is destroyed and the trees die. Fungus from almost dead tree infect and attach the roots and collar of the tree, and then the roots will infected the other roots of plants. The rhizome attack help roots from the infection of the roots, and mycelia anostomos freely attack and penetrate root of a healthy tree, and then tree base collar and roots are infected and penetrate. It will go to the infected root and collar of the tree. In this process, the basidiopore produced from basidioscarp, it will cut surface receive decomposition of basidiopore. And when the infected root and collar of tree happen, The canopy will be defoliate, branch and shoot will be die back. In the conclusion of this effect of the plant function, the plants will be dead. Control and management. Firstly is sanitation. Sanitation is you can cut off the affected area or affected branches. Next is plant resistant variety. We must update to the research of the plant, which is RISDA, Rubber Research, or RRIM, Rubber Research Institute of Malaysia. And next is soil management. Plantation must do good drainage and avoid from the place or soil that have history of this fungus. Next is cultural practice. Plantation must do GAP, or the long name is good agriculture practice. For example, we cannot burning, zero burning. Next is plant spacing. Plant spacing is crucial because if one plant affected, it's half time we want to save the other plants. If the plant spacing is too low, then the affected plant will be affected the next plants easily. And sufficient nutrient. We must get the proper advice from the agronomy to avoid insufficiency of nutrient. Next is chemical control. Chemical control for this fungus is only for the newly condition affected only. When it being worse, it cannot be controlled by chemical control anymore. And lastly is yearly detection. Yearly detection is very crucial, and in plantation we have a schedule to monitoring the place that being affected. And that's all from me. Thank you very much for listening.